Today we're going to talk about roadmaps within MantisHub. Roadmap is part of the project management toolset within MantisHub, and it relates to versions within a project. So it's a planning tool, and what it does is it displays a list of issues against the version that you've planned or targeted to have this issue resolved in. So it's fairly easy to use. First thing you've got to do is make sure you actually have versions created within your project. Until you create versions in your project, you will not see any of the version related fields in your issues. So if you head to manage, go to projects and select your project. There's a versions tab, and you can see we've already created some versions. So now that we've got versions, if we head into our issues, and then if we edit it, all we really need to do is set a target version. So if we set the target version to be 2.0 and update that, and then if we head to our roadmap page, we'll see that that's now listed against version 2. So we can do that for a couple of more issues. It's something also that we could bulk update as bulk. So if we go in and edit that, and we want to change the target version for these, edit that. Now we can see our roadmap. We've got a couple of versions displayed, and these are the issues that are targeted to be fixed for those versions. A few actions you can take on your roadmap lists. You've got this little setting button, so you can actually go in and update the particular version straight from your roadmap. You can share a link. So if you share this link with any other user within MantisHub, they will use that link to display the list of issues. And you can also expand that out. So this is now your issue list. You can do other actions on it. You can export it. Or you can do any of the bulk actions if you like. By default, all your users can view your roadmap, but that is something that you can adjust in your settings. If you head to manage settings and project settings, you'll see there's a threshold there. And that's it. That's roadmap.